Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix network issues in your Samsung Smart TV. So it says network is not connected. Check network settings to use this service. So network settings, I'm going to show you how to access that. Either you press this network settings, I'm going to show you how to access it from your remote. Go to menu, right here, menu, press. You get this pop-up, go to network, go to network status. You will see the status of your network. If it's ticked twice green, it means your network is working. If there is a red X, it means it's not working. So we have to troubleshoot this. So as you can see, there is an X right here and it's red. It's not connected to the wireless network, but not to the internet. If you want to double check if your Wi-Fi is working, check in your phone or in a laptop or tablet. If it's connected, it means there is no problem with your Wi-Fi. Then it means that there is a problem with your TV. So now let's fix the problem. Let's go to IP settings. The problem is here, IP settings. Press that. It says connected to your local network but cannot connect to the internet. Check the DNS settings in IP settings or contact your internet service provider to access the internet. I'm going to show you how to do that. IP settings right here. Press OK. You have access to this. Now scroll down, you will see these numbers in yellow. DNS server 9888 9.8.8.8. This is not correct. Somebody has touched a number and it was changed. If you change numbers, it's not gonna work. You need to make sure you have the right number. So the number that was in here was 8, 4 8s, 8, 8, 8, 8. Then press OK. Now let's go back to the status. The problem is fixed. It says your wireless network and internet connection are set up and ready to use. If you go back to IP settings, let's change it because there are many ways to do that. I can put 44 and it's you'll get the same network connection. 8844 works as well, as you can see. So I just put it back to, I just put back 4 8s. So where it was to default, even 44 works, no problem. So be careful with these numbers. It's very important to keep it as it is. So 8888 or 8844 works. That's it, guys. The problem is fixed. And now you can access your smart TV. Please subscribe, leave your comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.